Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Denoise in DaVinci Resolve. First, navigate to the color page, which is represented by the color wheel icon at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find the essential tools for refining your footage. Noise reduction is crucial for achieving a clean, professional look, especially in low-light shots. We'll cover both temporal and spatial noise reduction techniques to effectively clean up your video. Let's dive in and make your footage shine. Temporal noise reduction is excellent for footage with movement, as it analyzes multiple frames to identify and reduce noise. You'll find these controls in the noise reduction palette on the color page. Start by increasing the temporal threshold gradually, perhaps to around 5 or 6, to see its effect. Adjust the motion range to fine-tune how much motion is considered. Remember to toggle the bypass button to compare your results and avoid overprocessing. Now, let's explore spatial noise reduction, which is ideal for static noise or when temporal reduction isn't enough. This method works within a single frame. In the same noise reduction palette, locate the spatial controls. Begin by setting the radius to a small value, like 0.5, and then slowly increase the luma threshold to around 10 or 15. Experiment with the method options, choosing better for higher quality if your system can handle it. This helps smooth out grain. For best results, always apply noise reduction as one of your very first nodes in the color page, typically the first or second. This ensures that subsequent adjustments don't reintroduce or amplify noise. Consider using power windows to selectively denoise only the noisy parts of your image, like a dark background, leaving cleaner areas untouched. Always monitor your changes using the scopes, especially the waveform, to prevent crushing blacks or losing detail. Practice makes perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.